Honorable judges, in our work as Parliament, we have been keen to ensure the discharge of our legislative representation and oversight roles upholds fundamental rights and freedoms to the fullest extent. Through tools such as questions, petitions, and statements, legislators have raised issues in the House on cases of violations of human rights for action and sought responses from the executive and relevant bodies. Additionally, Parliament has enacted laws that implement human rights. Notably, the National Assembly is presently considering the Persons with Disabilities Bill 2023, which seeks to implement the rights of persons with disabilities as enshrined in Article 54 of the Constitution. With respect to oversight, Parliament and its committees have conducted various inquiries and investigations on violations of human rights and commended the appropriate action and remedies to these grievances. Presently, committees of the National Assembly are engaged in inquiries relating to alleged human rights violations by the British Army Training Unit in Kenya and the alleged historical and systemic dumping of toxic waste in the northern parts of the country. Honorable judges, in support of key actors that promote and enforce the Bill of Rights, the National Assembly has consistently sought to provide adequate budgetary allocation to the justice sector within the available fiscal envelope. This has seen the gradual increase of allocations to the judiciary and other key actors over the years. I think in the last budget, even with the fall of the finance bill, we raised your budget to over 19 billion to enable you discharge your responsibilities. The Chief Justice tells me that's not enough, and I do know it's not enough. Even as at the legislature, we demanded and expected 68 billion, but we only got 49. In support of key actors that promote and enforce the Bill of Rights, the National Assembly, no, sorry, I've read that. I'm keenly aware of the critical role of the civil society and our development partners in supporting the judiciary in its enforcement of the Bill of Rights. Indeed, the convening of this summit has been made possible through such support. However, it is my enduring belief that we must respect and discharge the responsibilities that accompany our wholehearted effort to enforce human rights. Honorable judges, observance and enforcement of human rights is a responsibility that attaches to all of us. In addition to highlighting any real or perceived violation of human rights, I wholly encourage the civil society and other development partners to lend their voice in condemning injustices committed against state actors and private individuals whose rights are negatively affected by the actions of other citizens. For some reason, a demonstration to enforce a particular right is not deemed as successful or impactful in this country unless there is destruction of property or loss of lives.